Aligners are a very contemporary and convenient way to straighten teeth and align them. So let's look into some do's and don'ts that are required for a good aligner usage therapy.
How do we maintain aligners?
You can clean them with a very mild soap and a soft brush in the morning when you wake up. You just need to clean them once a day. When you remove it to eat, you can just store it in a small aligner case and put them back as soon as you finish eating.
Is it okay to eat food with aligners on?
No, you can't eat with aligners because these are made for only 12 to 15 days. They have to do a certain part of tooth movement. So if they happen to break, it might be difficult to move on to the next aligner.
Is it safe to drink beverages with aligners in the mouth?
Drinking should not be a problem unless they're very heavily colored drinks or beverages, which might stain the aligners a little bit.
How many hours per day should aligners be worn?
Aligners should be worn for a minimum of 20 to 22 hours. That includes your entire day and your sleeping time also. If you don't wear it for a minimum of 20 hours, then they're not going to work.
How frequently should aligner sets be changed?
Aligners can be changed anytime between 12 to 15 days.
What should be done if an aligner is lost?
If you lose an aligner, it is a little tough. Go back to your old aligner and please go to your orthodontist. The doctor will find a solution.
Do aligners cause discomfort or pain during treatment?
Yes, pain is a part of any kind of tooth movement, but it's very mild and can be handled well.
How do aligners differ from braces?
There is a vast difference because aligners can be worn by all classes of people, from children to adults who are working and who do not want to be seen with braces. So the best part of aligners is that you can remove it and eat any kind of food. Even maintaining your oral hygiene, simple, because you will remove your aligners, brush your teeth and wear them back. Yeah, I recommend aligners for all modes of treatment, especially any kind of malocclusion. So if you want to design your smile and change the way your smile looks, please do come to us. We have orthodontists and cosmetic dentists working in conjunction to better your smile.